Oi, oi, oi! DataBard here. In the recent conversations I've had on Microsoft Fabric, two things are true. One, people are genuinely excited about Fabric and all of its possibilities. Two, nobody understands how Fabric licensing works. Let's clarify that in this video. So whenever we're talking about Fabric licensing, there's always two things that you need. The first is capacity, which gives your organization access to use Fabric features. And the second part is user licensing, which gives the users in your organization access to Fabric capabilities. Let's talk Fabric capacities first. Fabric capacity is an Azure resource that you provision, and it comes in a variety of sizes, with the smallest being F2 and increasing in size by powers of 2 until you reach the largest SKU, F2048. The number of this SKU determines how many capacity units, or CUs, you have at your disposal. What is a CU? That's probably best explained in a different video. Just know for now that your SKU not only determines your compute limits, but also storage limits for things like one-lake storage and semantic model storage. Also, remember this magic number, 64. You'll find that certain Fabric features are only available to F64 SKUs and higher. This leaves us with the second necessary component, user licensing. Any implementation of Fabric requires Power BI licensing for your users. But which users need licenses? That depends on your Fabric SKU and that magic number, 64. A SKU less than 64? Anyone who accesses Fabric, developers, and viewers need a license. Greater than or equal to 64? Developers still need a license, but your viewers now get a free license from your Fabric capacity. There you have it, easy peasy Fabric softener squeezy licensing in two parts, capacity and user licensing. Now some watching this might find the licensing model really simplistic, and for those who have worked with Power BI premium capacity license models, this should feel very similar. The current confusion, I think, shows how many organizations haven't worked with this model yet, and that's why it seems so unusual. So whenever you're planning your Fabric implementation, make sure you have both components planned for. That's it for this chapter. Found this video helpful? Hit that like and subscribe button and get notified about future videos from the DataBard channel. And if you have any other questions about Microsoft Fabric or the data industry, leave me a note in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them in the future. For now, I'm DataBard, and I'll see you in the next chapter.